How are you all? Hope you all are doing good, and also you all are doing study at home also. Student, I hope you remember that we have already done the singular and plural topic in the last class, and I have uploaded the same topic video also. Today I am here with the same topic singular plural with the activities. So shall we start, student? Yes. So look at on my book. These are the pictures. Now what we have to need to do is circle the correct noun from the each picture. Means according to the pictures, there is the two names. Okay. You have to circle the those name according to the picture. Means you have to see the picture and read the spelling, and you have to find out which spelling is singular and which spelling is plural. Okay, so means this is the bucket, this is the one bucket, so means this is the singular. So there is a two names, it's bucket, bucket, buckets. Buckets, when we add s and es, when the name or the object is in the more than one, right? Means this is the only one, so means we'll circle the bucket only, because this is the only one bucket, singular bucket. Okay, now come to the second one. Now look at the second picture. These are the umbrella, this is umbrella. Now how many umbrella are here? One and two, means more than one, so it's clear that is this is the plural. Okay, so we just need to read the spelling now. umbrellas and umbrella. This is umbrellas, this is umbrella. Means this is the more than one umbrella, it's a plural. So means in the plural spelling we always add the s or es. So means here the umbrella, this is the umbrellas. So we'll, according to the picture, we circle the umbrellas. Okay, now come to the another question, another picture. This is the glass. How many glass is there? Tell me, student. Yeah, it's only one, means it's clear, it's a singular. So now we need to read the name. GLASS glass, GLASSES glasses. It is the one glass, so we do not put the s or es here. We just need to spelling should be remain. So we do not change the name spellings because it's a singular. So it's GLASS glass is the correct answer. Now come to the next picture. What is the student? This is tree. So how many trees are here? 1, 2 means more than one. So it's more than one means it's clear, it's the plural. So we need to read the name now. TRELL, tree. Means this is the wrong one, this is not the correct one because s is not here. Now read next one. TREES, tree, means this is the correct name, trees. Now come to the next picture. It's the sun. So this is the only one sun, so we do not put the s ending of the spelling because it's the only singular. So just circle the sun. Now come to the next one. It is pear. It is one pear. So it's PEARS, pears. No, if this is more than one pears, in that case we'll add s to make it plural. Here it's only one, so we'll add circle the pear, PEAR, pear. Okay, now come to the next one. This is the chick, 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 CHICKS, cheeks. Means this is the only one, so we're going to circle this one. Okay, now come to the next one. This is the 1, 2, 2 cars, mean more than one car. So which name is correct? It's clear, this is the 2 means more than one, so it's plural. So which name is correct? The name which has s with the spelling, means CARS, cars. Now come to the next one. It's apple, only one apple, so we're going to circle the apple. Now come to the, this is ball and this is balls. 1, 2, 3 balls, means more than one ball, so it's the plural. So we're going to circle which one? This one? No, we'll circle this one because this spelling has a s. So balls. Okay, students, so now I hope you understood more about the singular and plural. Okay, student, I have one more activity worksheet for you. This is the worksheet. Read each word and change it into plural by ending es. Means you need to put the es in the ending of these all words: wish, cross, dish, fox, loss. Right? So I hope you liked this video, and very soon I'll come with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.